Hello everyone, this is Sajna Magar. We are doing group presentation on the effects and implications on the international financial reporting standards, adoption on the financial reports of local government entities. We are from group S1. My group member includes me, Aarti Gurung, Suraj Dandugar, Subeksha Subedi, Parisha Shahi, and Lasha Shake. This presentation sheds the critical light on how the adoption of IFRS tends to impact on equities, profits, assets, and liabilities of local government organizations in Australia. The rationale behind this study is to highlight the importance of the controversy surrounding the accrual accounting practice in the government sector. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Suraj and I'm here to talk something about impact of international financing reporting system on financing reporting environment of Australia and its impact on governmental as well as private organizations. International financing reporting is a complicated process that affects valuation of fixed assets. It suggests the use of fair value rather than current value for asset valuations, which has been a subject matter of controversy since Australian government accepted this standard on 2004. Critics pointed out that this adaptation would lead to major changes in Australian accounting standard and make reporting system more complex. Its impact on local organizations and private organizations. Critics against international financing reporting standard pointed out that this system will have adverse effect on profit of large firms rather than their small counterparts. They also suggest that it have adverse effect on governmental organizations. To illustrate, Director of Corporate Service from Council of NSW expressed his concern, stating that after adopting international financing reporting standard, the governmental expenses have been increased and it is also time consuming. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Aarti Gurung. I will be talking about the adoption of international financial reporting standards by local government in the other countries as well as in Australia. So the local government organization in the UK have made positive stance in regarding to adopting IFRS. In Canada too, there have been positive results concerning the same. In the Australian economy, the accounting standards of IFRS is introduced and applicable to all the sectors that exist. There is equality and no variability regarding sectors and is applicable to both government and non-profit seeking organizations. Australian government consists of three-tier governments including state government, local government and Commonwealth government. The adoption of IFRS in local government organizations was viewed complex and difficult as they have social goals to fulfill and have complex arrangements. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Parisha Shahi and today I'm going to talk about the effect of adoption of international financial reporting standards to the annual reporting of local government organization. For this purpose, we have to consider the annual reports of the organization which are taken into consideration. The annual income statement and balance sheet for the year ended 31st December 2004 are taken. The basic of this study is the reconciliation from Australian Accounting Standard Board to International Financial Reporting Standards. Some of the effect of International Financial Reporting Standards on the elements of balance sheet and the income statement seems to be income increasing or some seems to be income decreasing. Some income increasing elements include amortization, depreciation and employment benefits, and some income decreasing elements include return of value of the assets that are disposed of and other miscellaneous expenses and joint venture. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Subeksha Subedi. Now I am going to continue the topic about annual report of local government organization and the effect of adoption of international financial reporting standards. The mean effect on the profit loss is non-favorable and negative, which amounts to $1.89 million. The mean effect on the balance sheet is positive until the extent of $6.6 million. The mean per capita loss is $25 and $0.042 that were received by the councils during the year 2005. However, the loss has been made by the increment in equity to the limit of $47 per capita and $0.88 of rate revenue. On careful analysis of data, it is seen that the difference between average total assets under IFRS and AASB is valued to be around $55.34 million. It is also seen that average liabilities under IFRS surpassed the ones under AASB, and the difference was seen to be around 3.07 million. It was seen that the adoption of IFRS did bring about some change in the capital structure of the local government organizations, with a difference of 5% in liabilities section between IFRS and AASB. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Lasha. So I'll be discussing about the critics of international financial reporting standards and their rationale. We've gathered some of the critics against international financial reporting standards. The very first is, it was seen that before the adoption of IFRS, many commentators and critics have argued that smaller firms would be at a disadvantage. Secondly, the disadvantage would arise due to constraints observing the resources. But however, the chairman of AASB have different views regarding this, stating absolute and no effect forced by the small and medium-sized enterprises on their financial position. Here we can conclude that it seems that the introduction and adoption of IFRS in local organization in Australia has been a landmark in Australian history, which has led to much discussions and debate about the IFRS standards, and it implies in respect of material effect on Australian organization, mainly on financial performance and quality of account. And we've come to the end of our presentation. So everyone, thank you for watching.